Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
I know what you're saying. Whiskey Crusaders? Why are they drinking gin? That's because on this Saturday's The Core series, we're exploring a gin. This is Koval's gin.
That's right.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, tell me more. Tell me more.
As you guys know, we are big fans of the Koval and of their whiskeys. But this is their gin, which I found probably about 5 years ago. I was like, that is a beautiful label. Like,
Yeah, it is.
I just think that's really pretty.
Oh, you're not the only one, man. They have such great labels.
Oh, they do. It's just great stuff. 47%, which is nice. A little bit higher bumped up proof for a gin, which is very nice. It's small batch, kosher, or organic certified. It's made with woodland spices, wildflowers, and juniper. They don't go any more detail than that. What's in there? They first came out in 2008. It was one of the first products Koval actually put out when they were one of the first distillery to open up in Chicago after Prohibition. They also make a cranberry and a barrel aged version, which I'd love to try, but I don't think we can get them here.
I had the cranberry gin, Matt.
I would love to try that.
I had the cranberry gin recently. It was.
Oh yeah, you love the Koval?
Yes, it was delicious.
Oh, so does that come to Texas now?
I believe that we have the option.
Oh, dude, that would be great.
I may or may not have had a rep come in and see me.
Oh, well, I would love that because Koval, I would love to see Koval on the show because I love Koval. I love all their stuff and they make awesome shit.
Yeah, the cranberry one was something that stuck out.
Cool. Looking forward to that then.
Oh, this one smells nice. So this is very heavy juniper gin.
Yeah, nice juniper. This is more traditional London dry style.
Absolutely.
Yeah, nice juniper, pine cones, a little bit of limoncello.
Oh, yeah.
Lavender.
Very pine needle. Like you said, pine cone. Very pine needle to me.
Yeah. Cream cheese. Clean. Very clean and fresh air. The citrus. A bouquet of spring flowers. It's just
a little bit of
nice.
ledge.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's that not quite real orange, but orange.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what it is, Matt? It's that red orange. What is that red orange called?
The blood orange?
It's that blood orange flavoring.
Yeah, which obviously is real.
Right. It's not that pledgy, but I mean, like, it's for whatever reason I'm getting that just aerosol.
Yeah, you know what it is? It's that Salarno, which is the red orange liqueur. Oh, sorry, the blood orange.
The blood orange. Yeah, that's
yeah, what I'm Salarno. Yeah, which is right. It even has a little that Illicus, that Bogamont in there.
Oh,
it's in there. Yeah, this smells nice. Oh, I do like it. I think it smells great.
And then there's just that little bit of what is that Brazilian cane sugar?
Oh,
Shakara.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, the one we can never pronounce.
It's got.
You're right. It's there. It's that Labone. It's got that little bit in there.
It's just got that little hint.
It does. You're right. It's totally there.
That's very fun.
Interesting. What an interesting gin. That's very cool.
Little lemon lime.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's really just the bouquet's just really opening up nicely. Yeah, it's like a spritz of it, a zest.
And I'm getting even grapefruit now.
Mm-hmm. A little coriander now.
Nice.
Even a little saffron.
It is very juniper forward. I am expecting a very London dry style of gin here.
But I like it.
Right, but it's clean.
Yeah, it's super clean, not dirty. Yeah, all right.
Oh, that would make for such a great straight up martini.
Mm-hmm. A couple olives in there. Delicious.
Just chill down a couple of olives. Come on.
It'd be fabulous. Yeah, the beautiful dry style that juniper jumps out at you. Lemon, lavender, white pepper, citrus, coriander, nutmeg, allspice. Oh, that's good. A little berries coming through. Little blueberries, blackberries coming through now.
Yeah, I'm getting cinnamon stick, vanilla, vanilla bean.
Yeah, vanilla bean, yeah, for sure.
Very, very juniper forward, but clean and just delicious. Yeah, again, I think this would make for an amazing Manhattan, or not Manhattan. What's the straight up martini? Martini.
Yeah, it's martini. A real martini. None of that vodka bullshit.
Right, but a straight up gin martini, like the way they're originally made.
A real one. Exactly. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I love a clean, good gin. That's just a damn good, clean gin. Hope you guys are enjoying these, that we're spreading out, not just doing liqueurs, doing other spirits for you guys, because we've still got plenty of liqueurs left to do. We just thought I'd like to do some other more fun things that nobody else is really doing. So,
well, it's really helped me as far as the even just saying the whiskey journey, but being able to find so many more different flavors in things because of these liqueur
absolutely
journeys.
Like leche is one of my favorite notes to pick up now. We would have never found without trying the Soho leche. It's a French liqueur that's made out of a Japanese fruit that we would still pick that up. Or you pick up like Amarula fruit, things that we could never get from a whiskey unless you've had the liqueur to pick that fruit or pick that note or pick that spice up or what. Allspice, we finally got a really good thing with the bitters there from them. The pimento dram allspice from the Bitter Truth was like the best ever for picking up allspice now.
Yeah, and then things like the muskmelon.
The muskmelon from Midori.
And the red oranges, the blood oranges.
Yeah, like the Salerno. And there's so many different orange liqueurs you don't realize, like, why. Like, then you realize they're all different types of oranges. It's not because they all want to be orange. There's all different orange liqueurs. They're not the same. They all taste different. No. Which is cool. And, you always figured, the orange section or whatever. But it's not. They're all varietally different and all very good.
There's a couple of different gins that have an orange kind of note to them as well. They're coming out with like orange variations. I want to say
apparently there's a blood orange gin, in fact, that Don wants us to pick up that we need to try.
Okay.
So we'll have to get that for him soon and give that a whirl.
I love it, man. All right.
Well,
this is a winner. I love it. This is great stuff.
Absolutely.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Join us Monday live where we're deep diving into alcohol topics and enjoying the heck out of it. Join the Patreon for more behind-the-scene fun. And until next time, keep on crusading, spread the liquids in your glass.
Cheers. You like this shit? Wait till you see what you get in 2 weeks from Vickery.